How to fix leaky gut naturally, plus a simple and effective recipe. Leaky gut has become a silent epidemic affecting 80 to 90% of people today. But it's not just affecting the digestive system. Symptoms like bloating, skin problems, and fatigue can take a toll on your overall health and wellness. But what if you could heal your gut and reclaim your vitality with the power of nature? The remedy could lie in your diet. What is a leaky gut? Leaky gut, also known as increased intestinal permeability, is a condition where the lining of the gut becomes damaged, causing undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into the bloodstream. This leads to a variety of symptoms and health issues, including digestive problems, skin problems, fatigue, brain fog, and even autoimmune diseases. Think of your gut like a sieve. The gut lining is like the mesh of the sieve, allowing nutrients and water to pass through while preventing larger particles, such as bacteria and toxins, from leaking into the bloodstream. When the gut lining becomes damaged, it's like the mesh of the sieve becoming too large, allowing larger toxic particles to escape and cause trouble. So why is fixing a leaky gut naturally important? By using natural solutions, you address the root cause of the problem rather than simply treating symptoms. Another thing is natural ways are a much gentler and less invasive approach. Symptoms of leaky gut. The symptoms of a leaky gut can be quite varied, and some people may not even realize that they have a leaky gut. Here are some signs to look out for. Bloating and gas. When undigested food particles and toxins leak into the bloodstream, they can cause bloating and gas as the body tries to get rid of them. This can be especially uncomfortable and embarrassing, especially when you're in public or at work. Skin problems. Leaky gut can lead to skin issues such as acne, rosacea, and eczema, as toxins and bacteria that escape from the gut impact the skin. When these toxins enter the bloodstream, they can cause inflammation and an overactive immune response, which can result in skin problems. Fatigue. Leaky gut can cause inflammation throughout the body, which leads to fatigue and a lack of energy. This can make it difficult to get through the day and complete everyday tasks, leaving you feeling drained and exhausted. Brain fog. The gut and the brain are closely connected, so a leaky gut can impact brain function and lead to brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings. Digestive problems. Symptoms such as diarrhea, constipation, and abdominal pain can be indicative of a leaky gut. These symptoms can be caused by the gut's inability to properly absorb nutrients, leading to digestive problems. They can also be caused by toxins and bacteria that have escaped from the gut and are affecting the digestive system. Autoimmune diseases. An overactive immune system caused by a leaky gut can attack the body's own tissues and organs, leading to these autoimmune diseases. Some examples of autoimmune diseases include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Food sensitivities. When the gut is leaky, it can become overly sensitive to certain foods, leading to reactions such as abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and diarrhea. These reactions can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're not sure which foods are causing the symptoms. Food sensitivities can also be accompanied by headaches, brain fog, and fatigue, making it even more challenging to get through the day. Joint pain. Inflammation caused by a leaky gut can lead to joint pain, especially in areas such as the knees, hips, and hands. Joint pain can also be accompanied by stiffness, making it even more challenging to get through the day. Remedies. Fortunately, there are several natural remedies that can help to fix a leaky gut and alleviate its symptoms. The most effective remedies include adding glutamine-rich and beta-carotene foods. When it comes to fixing a leaky gut naturally, one of the best things you can do is incorporate more glutamine-rich and beta-carotene foods into your diet. Glutamine is an amino acid that helps to repair and strengthen the gut lining, making it one of the most important nutrients for anyone with a leaky gut. Here's the thing, our bodies naturally produce glutamine, but when we're dealing with a leaky gut, it may not produce enough to keep up with the demand. So it's fundamental to get it from other sources. Some of the best plant-based foods that are high in glutamine levels include lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans, leafy greens like spinach and parsley, kale, beets, and asparagus. Use of probiotics and prebiotics. You've probably heard of good bacteria and bad bacteria in your gut, right? Well, when your gut is leaky, it means there's a problem with the lining of your gut. But by taking probiotics and prebiotics, you can help to restore balance in your gut. Probiotics are good bacteria in your gut that help to reduce inflammation and improve the gut lining. You can get these good bacteria from fermented foods like kefir and yogurt. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are the food that probiotics live on. By consuming prebiotics, you're essentially feeding the good bacteria in your gut and helping them thrive. So, by combining probiotics and prebiotics in your diet, you are fixing your gut. We have more videos on prebiotic and probiotic foods. Use of herbs. Curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant herb that can help to heal leaky gut. By modulating the inflammatory signaling in the intestine, curcumin helps to reduce inflammation in the gut and promote healing of the gut lining. It works by reducing the translocation of gut bacteria-derived lipopolysaccharides, LPS, into systemic circulation by mitigating the destruction of intestinal barrier function. Both intestinal epithelial cells, IECS, and intestinal macrophages are targeted by curcumin in this process. Slippery elm, Ulmus rubra. This herb has been used for centuries to treat digestive issues. Slippery elm contains a substance called mucilage, which can form a protective layer on the gut lining, soothing and healing any damage that has been done. Marshmallow root, Althea. Another herb with a long history of use in digestive health, marshmallow root contains compounds that help to soothe and heal the gut. The root's mucilaginous properties aid in forming a protective barrier on the gut lining, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Licorice root is known to have a powerful effect on maintaining hormonal balance in the body, making it a useful herb for preventing and treating the leaky gut syndrome. Cortisol is a hormone that is commonly associated with stress, and an overproduction of cortisol can trigger health problems, including a leaky gut. By promoting hormonal balance, licorice root helps to prevent cortisol from overwhelming the system. Moreover, it also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Special recipe, DIY. Here is a simple and effective recipe that can make a big difference for those struggling with leaky gut syndrome. Ingredients: bananas. Bananas are a great source of fiber, which helps to support a healthy gut lining and improve digestion. Plus, their natural sweetness adds a touch of flavor to the smoothie. Almond milk. Almond milk is rich in vitamins and minerals, and it's also a great source of healthy fats. These healthy fats help to soothe and repair the gut lining, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Ginger. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it adds a delicious and slightly spicy flavor to the smoothie. Licorice root powder, marshmallow root powder, and slippery elm, 1 teaspoon each. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Probiotics. To really boost the gut heating power of the smoothie, add a scoop of probiotics to the mix. Instructions: blend the banana and almond milk until smooth. Add the chia seeds, ginger powder, licorice root powder, marshmallow root powder, slippery elm, and probiotic powder to the blender. Blend until smooth and well combined. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. Chia seeds and slippery elm also add a bit of texture to the smoothie and help to keep you full for longer. This smoothie is a great way to get a lot of beneficial ingredients in one serving, and it's really easy to prepare. Drinking 1 to 2 glasses a day is a good starting point. Conclusion: thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss your gut health video.